I think this one definitely is important to show simply because, well, again, it doesn't look like a geometric series so far, because remember, we want it in the form c times r to the n. And this is way different. But I'm going to use some rules that I know. So 2 plus 3n, let's deal with that over 5n. I know I have one denominator, so I can write 2 over 5 to the n plus 3 to the n over 5 to the n. And that is actually 2 times 1 over 5. And I'm doing the same thing as I did in the other example. To the n plus, well, 3 over 5 to the n, and then times 1. Now it's in the correct form. Except for I need my summation on it. And I have pretty much two geometric series. And I know that this is less than 1. The absolute value is less than 1. Same with this. The absolute value is less than 1. So actually, those both converge, and I can split this up into two summations. If those don't converge, then you can't do this, but then if it doesn't converge, you already know that it'll diverge, so you don't need to worry about it anyway. And we have 1 times 3 over 5. That's not an 8, that's a 5 to the n. And so now we can evaluate these separately. Again, those are less than 1, both of them. So I'll do them separately. I'll use the formula, which is the first term. The first term means I plug in 0 and I get 1 times 2 is 2 over 1 minus 1/5, which is 2 over 4/5. Flip and multiply. That's 2 times 5 over 4, 10/4, plus, and then that would be 1. The first term would be 1 times 1. So 1 of 1 minus 3/5, which would be 1 over, what was that, 5, 4, 3, 2/5. And then flip and multiply, that would be 5 over 2. So plus 5 over 2. And I'd get a common denominator here, not times 4 times 2. And we get 10 over 4 plus 10 over 4. Oh, why did I could just reduce that. Oops. And that would be, what, 20 over 4, which is 20 divided by 4 is 5, right? And there we go. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So really, hopefully you know your exponent rules and rules for fractions. Otherwise, this video hopefully is helpful, and then you can remember it from there. That's one of the examples. I'm going to keep going in a different video.